It's that time of the year here in Ontario, Canada, where the leaves have changed colors and it's absolutely fantastic. It looks incredible. And I'm starting out this video here where they have these huts. Someone has built these huts that are built out of wood, covered in leaves, and there's 6 of them. So someone has spent a lot of time, maybe a team of children, I don't know, could have been a family exercise or school exercise, whatever it was. But this is fantastic. I mean, at first you think this is for like homeless people in the winter or for the animals. I don't know myself, but I've never seen this. This is crazy. This is the forest where it also has that cathedral of trees, which is an incredible thing to see as well. But what's really, this video is really about is the changing color of the leaves here in autumn. Look at this. You think there'd be an animal or a couple people in here. No, it's just empty. Maybe it's waiting for something fantastic. Now this here is a portion of the forest that looks really magical. Admiring the beauty here. It's fantastic. I don't know what happened here. Someone has chopped down the cathedral of trees. You see? This used to all be stunning and beautiful and stood so tall. But now we got this whole big batch over here that's gone. It's down on the ground, and as you can see here, this one over here looks like it might have been pulled out by the storm. We've had some crazy storms over here in Canada. This tree right here stands still, and we're probably gonna see him again next year or next time we come here. I'm gonna call him Dave. He's still around, but see, his friends are gone. But Dave over there, he's alright. Well, nothing ever lasts forever. Out of all the stupid things one could do, this is definitely one of them. Oh yeah. Yo, 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 yo. I'm stepping. Surviving. Oh, shit. Okay, well, we got here. This is Kevin. He's no longer alive. Kevin wasn't a good guy. Wasn't so good, so he lost his head. Wonder which one is his head though. Kevin, where's your head? I don't know where I am. But I did ask somebody for directions. I know it sounds pretty awkward or odd to be able to find someone in such a forest and ask for directions, especially when you're looking for something so unique as Shrek's Swamp. You might have seen that in one of my previous videos where I found Shrek's Swamp. Now, I'm not able to find it today. I am over here, around this hill. Still no Shrek's Swamp as far as I can tell. It's getting dark over here. I see a backward sign. I wonder what it says. This could really be it, honestly. This might just be it. Let's see. What does the sign say? Oh. Mrs. Wormwood. Mrs. Wormwood. So it's a different place, different name, same forest. What is Shrek Swamp? I have no clue. But I am going to give it another shot and try to explore just a little further. As long as I don't have to go up that hill. That hill is very steep. Will be way too much for me. I don't see anything else around here. Not a sign in sight. Oh, that's steep. Oh wow, look at that. It's stunning though. All of this. It's a beautiful place. Well, you know, maybe it is Shrek Swamp. The sign could be up there somewhere saying, hey, down here is Shrek Swamp. But I found another sign actually. This one was different. Unexpected as well. I didn't expect Mrs. Wormwood. And I definitely didn't expect Garfield. What is Garfield? I mean, yes, it's a cat, but like Garfield? Is there like Garfield's pond? Or just watch out for Garfield? I don't know. But it gets interesting the more I explore. So I'm gonna go look over this hill right over here and see what's there to see. Wow. Lots and lots of yellow leaf trees. Fantastic. Over here is a little bridge. I don't know what's the purpose of it really, because it's like there's nothing, there's no water here, nothing passes by, so it wasn't necessary. In any case, it's nice that it's built. Somebody put some effort into that. And as it is getting later in the day now, this is probably it for me for this video. We're just gonna end it here with this fantastic view of, I don't know what to call, but just the majestic forest. Wow, it's super. So we're gonna end it here. Thank you for joining me today in this majestic forest somewhere in Ontario, Canada, where the leaves are changing color. It's peak of autumn, and it doesn't get much better than this.